Cobra Pro 2500 Watt Inverter Review. Genius power move or mobile meltdown? Watch this before you plug in. You ever been stranded in the middle of nowhere with a dead laptop, no coffee maker, and a phone clinging to 3% battery like it's begging for mercy? Yeah, we've been there too. You're out camping, grinding on the road, or just trying to survive a blackout, but your gadgets don't care. No power, no productivity. And forget about running real tools. That cheap, buzzing excuse of an inverter in your trunk? Total garbage. It can't even warm soup without throwing a tantrum. Welcome to Power Anxiety, the low-key villain in every mobile setup and DIY disaster. And it gets worse. You're on a job site, deadline chasing you like a horror movie, and your current inverter wheezes when you plug in a drill. Or worse, it dies. Mid-cut. Now you've got tools in limbo, clients questioning your life choices, and zero backup. If you're a road warrior, contractor, or vanlifer running a mobile rig, you can't afford to gamble with sketchy power. The stress? Real. The burnout? Building. And the worst part? You know there's gotta be something better. But is it worth it? Is it reliable? Is it legit? Spoiler, yes, and hell yes. Meet the Cobra Pro 2500 Watt professional grade power inverter, your new road-ready beast. This ain't your uncle's cigarette lighter adapter. We're talking 2,500 watts of continuous juice, 5,000 watts peak, and enough grounded AC outlets, for, to be exact, to run your office, kitchen, and garage straight from your car battery. Add in USB-A and USB-C fast charge ports, remote monitoring, and Pentagon protection, 5 layers of safety, and you've got a rig that doesn't just power stuff, it empowers your grind. From coffee machines to power tools, Cobra's got your back. Let's talk perks, because this baby's loaded. It's rugged. It's got a digital LED dashboard to flex your voltage like a boss. It's CETL certified and built with a modified sine wave that's 90% efficient, more uptime, less battery drain. Need to work inside the RV while your inverter's in the trunk? Use the Cobra remote controller to monitor and charge from the couch. Contractors love the heavy-duty direct-to-battery cables. Vanlifers obsess over the 4 GFCI AC outlets. This thing isn't just built to perform, it's built to last. Ready to work, play, or survive an apocalypse? Let's go. Here's the move, don't wait until your microwave dies mid-burrito. Get the Cobra Pro 2500 Watt now while it's still in stock. These sell out faster than portable generators during storm season. Join thousands of pro drivers, DIYers, and off-grid nomads who already upgraded their power game. Stop tripping over weak watts and step into beast mode. Click now. Power your grind. Rule your road. The Cobra Pro 2500 Watt isn't a luxury, it's your mobile power lifeline.